A DevOps-led approach to software development can have a number of benefits for any organization out there. In this video, I'm going to explain some of the benefits you can reap by using DevOps properly. So let's get started. The first benefit is to increase speed to market. A DevOps approach reduces the time required to deliver fixes and features to customers and enables you to respond quickly to changing market conditions, customer needs, and industry trends. Secondly, continuous monitoring and feedback throughout the software development process enables you to ensure the quality of software applications and infrastructure changes, while reliably delivering at a rapid pace and maintaining a positive experience for the end users. On the third place, we have reduced cost of building software, which means that DevOps practices such as automation, a focus on collaboration and continuous improvement of practices can reduce costs while delivering high quality software. Then we have improved incident recovery, which leads to quickly detection and responding to and recovering from incidents with a streamlined DevOps approach, improving the overall reliability and availability of your software systems. Then at the fifth place, we have early identification of risk vulnerabilities. A DevSecOps approach enables security to be part of the software development cycle, ensuring early identification of potential security issues and minimizing the risk of security breaches. Then comes the automated compliance policies, fine-grained controls, and configuration management techniques such as infrastructure as code and policy as code enable the streamlining of compliance efforts and improved risk management. When it comes to improved collaboration, DevSecOps practices encourage cross-functional teams to work together seamlessly, promoting collaboration and contextual knowledge exchange among developers, operations staff, and other stakeholders, increasing overall efficiency of the organization. Last but not least, DevOps principle ensure consistency across environments throughout the automated software release process, from build to deployment, reducing the risk of releasing bugs and errors. I hope that this was useful for you. Thanks for watching and listening.